Okay, setting these tab stops is pretty easy, and I'll show you what they mean by the leader. So in this new document, you would go here. It comes open with this. The paragraph. Now, no guarantees. This is the way I do it, so we'll see if Sam does it the same way. So I go here, go to the paragraph, go to tabs, and it says that the left tab stop at 2.75. So I type in my 2.75 with the fourth leader option. So right here. Now you have to click set and then OK. We got that one correct. Next one, set a left tab, same thing. Okay. With a 3.0 with none, so left, none, and you need to hit set. Then a 6.5, so do a 6.5. Alright, with the fourth leader option. So here, must click set and OK. See, and they're saying incorrect. Let's try it again. This is the way I teach it all the time. I don't know how they want you to do it differently. Okay, so we're going to try that again. So the left tab, stop, do the tabs, at 3.0, O, left, with no leader, click set. See, let's try it a little different. See if they do click. See, they're still saying incorrect. Okay, try it again. So do the tabs. A 3.0 with the left, none. Click set. And then a 6.5 position with the fourth leader option. Is that then set a right? My bad. Right tab stop. See, you got to read this. Right with a none and set and OK. What? I don't know why that went wrong. Okay, turn the show and hide on. Okay. Key the following. Name, and then press tab twice. Address. And press tab. No, press tab. That one is correct. Okay, it tells me I've completed all. So it tells me number of incorrect. I personally will go back and see why and make a correction. Give you guys the correct stuff.